Does your desert landscaping look terrible? Does the rock need really spruced up this time of year? Now's the time to take care of it. AMS Landscaping here is having our annual rock sale where we spruce up your landscape by adding some new rock. We have a 3-tier package. If you just want to just add 1 ton, we can do that for you for just $395. If you know you need a little bit more, we have this package for $795, which is 4 tons. Normally, it's a lot more money, and we're doing this for $200 a ton at $795 for 4 tons. Or you can get for the big package, if you really need a lot of rock at your home, we can do up to 10 tons for $1,795. That's $180 per ton. That is the least cost we've ever done it for. That's installed, delivered, spread out through your yard, blended in with the landscape to make it look really nice. If you need more rock, we'll honor that same $180 rate beyond the 10 tons, but now's the time to do it, to get it scheduled. This rock sale starts right now, and it's gonna go all the way through to the end of February of 2026. So be sure to reach out to us here at AMS Landscaping at our website at azlawns.com. You can also find us on Facebook and YouTube at AMS Landscaping, or check us out on Twitter or X at AZLawns. Make it a great day.